Did you know the richest man in ancient Rome made his fortune by watching your house burn? Marcus Licinius Crassus owned private fire crews in the city of Rome. When a building caught fire, his men would show up and just stand there. While the flames spread, Crassus himself would walk up to the terrified owner and offer to buy the property. Cheap. The owner could sell or watch everything turn to ash. Most sold. He bought hundreds of buildings this way. He controlled a third of Rome alongside Caesar and Pompey. But wealth wasn't enough. He wanted what money couldn't buy: military glory. So in 53 BC, he marched 50,000 soldiers east into Parthian territory. It was a massacre. His army was destroyed at the Battle of Carrhae. His son was killed. Then he was killed. And according to the most chilling account that survived, the Parthians poured molten gold down his throat when he was dead. A man who spent his whole life turning other people's disasters into gold ended up drowning in it.